So it's a little bit of an early Christmas. Look what I got from Liberty Graphics. Let's see what he sent us. Okay. Let's see what we got here. There's the screen printed bag that he was doing the other day. Not dumping on your work, but it did get scratched up. Maybe it didn't get cured enough. No, it's actually flaking off my finger. Anyhow, let's see what we got. Very nice. Huh. Threadfast Apparel. I don't think I've ever heard of Threadfast Apparel. This is what he said. It is a Liberty Graphics t-shirt. And I'm still wearing your jacket. That is a women's cut jacket. Thanks, man. I really appreciate Liberty Graphics. Some pretty solid work there. Looks awesome. I think I'm going to put it on. I now have Liberty Graphics t-shirt on. Okay. Moving on. I'm not sure if this is actually from Liberty Graphics. My idea who this is from. But we'll just pretend that it is from Liberty Graphics. Oh! It is like Christmas. It's the CIS kid. Very nice. Do you know what that is, Shannon? Anyhow, so here's that I'm going to do a review on. There's all the inks, all the black inks that came along with it. So I can't wait to install that. I'll install it this weekend. Okay, so that about does it for this video. Thanks, Liberty Graphics. I appreciate the t-shirt. I'm currently wearing it as we speak, and we'll see you guys next time.